Hello dear students, welcome to the class today. Children, we are carrying on with this political science, chapter 1, power sharing. In this chapter, children, we have already discussed about the power sharing module that existed in Belgium and in Sri Lanka. Lot of things we have learned from these modules. Lot of things were there, lot of lessons we have learned, where we came to understand that power sharing should be in a fair manner and in a balanced manner. When we have discussed about Belgium and Sri Lanka, so at times it is asked the comparative study of both of this. Comparative study is to be done for Belgium and Sri Lanka. How the settlements had happened, what actually were the problems, and how were the problems sorted out. Got it? So when they are talking about these two modules, Belgium में what we understood, Belgium में the problem that was sorted out was through a word called accommodation. Got it? On the other hand, Sri Lanka में problem could not be sorted out. In fact, it came on coming up in a very big manner. It led the country towards a civil war. It led the country towards a situation which was actually uncontrollable. The government cannot control the situation. This was the policy, this was the thing that was followed in Sri Lanka. Majority, Sinhalese, majority community. And on the other hand, a very nice example was set up by the Belgian model. So when we do the comparison, हम जब comparison करते हैं तो आपको दो तीन चीजें, and it had posed such a nice example in front of the other parts of the European countries that when European Union ka headquarters was to be chosen, which place would be the headquarters of the European Union, so it was sorted out, it was found out to be Brussels. Got it? Brussels में headquarters बनाया गया, and that is how things carried on further. Got it? So here we had accommodation and here we have majoritarianism. Now what happens is, अब ये जो दो models हैं, these two stories that are there of Belgium and Sri Lanka, both are democracies, लेकिन फिर भी जब power sharing की बात हुई, when power sharing module was discussed, both of it dealt with this problem in a very different manner. Only by क्या होता है, you have to respect the country where the problem has risen, where the problem has come up. Everybody, all of them had to respect the feeling and interest of different communities and regions. The respecting the feeling and interest of different communities in the country is very important. Are we doing it in India? Yes, dear students, we are very much following it in India. Each and every group that exists in India is given due respect and is dealt with lot of dignity. Dignity is given because we have the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe. They are also staying in India, but with lot of respect. So when we realize these things, when we understand these problems, mutually acceptable arrangements have to be there. Please understand what you mean by mutually accepted. थोड़ी सी बात तुम मान लो, थोड़ी सी बात हम मान लेते हैं. Little bit of adjustment you do, little bit of adjustment I will do. So that is how accommodation happens, and Sri Lanka is showing us a very contrasting example. The majority people, the Sinhalese, they dominated the Tamil people to such an extent that they have to form their own party, they raise their voice and they led the country to a turmoil. कि अब इससे पता चलता है that majority community wants to force its dominance over others. दूसरे लोगों को जब dominate करना चाहते हैं, they refuse to share power. पावर शेयरिंग को मना कर देते हैं. इट कैन अंडरमाइन द यूनिटी ऑफ द कंट्री. यहीं से द कॉम्प्रोमाइज स्टार्ट्स एंड द यूनिटी ऑफ द कंट्री इज कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. यूनिटी ऑफ द कंट्री कम्स एट स्टेक. और यही चीज श्रीलंका में हुआ. कितनी लंबी स्ट्रगल चली. आई मीन द स्ट्रगल वॉज क्वाइट लॉन्ग. लॉट ऑफ पीपल वेर किल्ड. दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स नीड्स टू बी अवॉइडेड. गॉट इट. Now when we understand it in detailed manner, जब इसको हम डिटेल में देखते हैं तो एक जगह पे accommodation था, दूसरी जगह पे majoritarianism था. So we need to understand कि why power sharing is desirable. क्यों चाहिए हमको power sharing? एक ही आदमी के हाथ में सारा पावर दे के बैठ जाओ आराम से. It doesn't happen like this. You cannot become a puppet in the hands of some other person. Two different sets of reason are there power sharing के लिए. पहला तो है कि power sharing is very good because it helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. सबसे पहली चीज ये है कि first reason is that क्या होता है ना कि एकोमोडेशन जहां पे होता है, ठीक है, इट हेल्प्स टू रिड्यूस द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ कंफ्लिक्ट. सो इट हेल्प्स टू रिड्यूस द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ कंफ्लिक्ट. लोगों के बीच में झगड़े के चांसेस ना बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. अमंग डिफरेंट सोशल ग्रुप्स, बहुत सारे सोशल ग्रुप्स हैं. सो ऑल द सोशल ग्रुप्स दे कम टुगेदर, दे स्टे टुगेदर एंड देयर इज अ वेरी हार्मोनियस काइंड ऑफ अ लिविंग कंडीशन इन द कंट्री. मिलजुल के हैप्पीली रह रहे हैं. वी हैव टू सी एंड वी हैव टू अश्योर दैट दिस थिंग ओनली कंटिन्यूज. जहां झगड़ा शुरू हो गया वहां पे तो फिर योर प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन कि आप एक तरफ तो डेमोक्रेसी की बात कर रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ देयर इज सो मच ऑफ टेंशन. सो व्हाट इज द आई मीन बेनिफिट ऑफ बीइंग इन अ डेमोक्रेसी? व्हाट एक्चुअली इज द बेनिफिट? सो सोशल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लीड्स टू वायलेंस. ओके, ये हमको अवॉइड करना है. वेयर सोशल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लीड्स टू वायलेंस, बहुत मारपीट होने लगती है ना, दिस इज अ बैड सिचुएशन. यही चीज हम लोगों को अवॉइड करनी है. एंड पावर शेयरिंग, इट इंश्योर्स द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल ऑर्डर. इट इंश्योर्स स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पावर. अब एक गवर्नमेंट बनी है एंड वो सबको साथ में लेके चल रहे हैं. एवरीबडीज फीलिंग्स आर बीइंग रेस्पेक्टेड, एवरीबडी इज गिवन ड्यू शेयर इन द गवर्नमेंट. तो फिर लड़ाई झगड़े के चांसेस बहुत कम रह जाते हैं ना. एंड इम्पोजिंग क्या होता है व्हेन द मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी इज देयर, जैसा श्रीलंका में हुआ. व्हेन दे इम्पोज देयर विल, majority community says ki what we want, just everybody has to do that. Tab it is very it is harmful for the democracy and tyranny of the majority. खाली majority की बात सबको माननी पड़े तो it is the it can be oppressive for the minority. Tyranny of majority can be oppressive for minority. Minority communities can be oppressed and it brings ruin to the majority. क्या होता है आपस में जब लड़ने लगते हैं, मारपीट होती है. When अब श्रीलंका में when there was killing, do you think that the Sinhala community people were not killed? Sinhala community people were also killed, ना? Majority थे तो अपने आप को बचा लेते, but no, it did not happen in that way. The minorities when they had raised their voice, उस समय वो थोड़ी देखते हैं. When the killings started, when the violence started, they will not see now who is majority and minority. Second reason for power sharing is that it is good for democracies. Second reason of power sharing is that it is good for democracy. Democracy का the true spirit of democracy is power sharing. Please understand. If we are talking about equality, we are talking about giving respect to each and every community and coming together, walking together and taking the country forward. For that purpose, power sharing is the spirit of democracy. Power sharing is the spirit of democracy. Democracy को आगे ले जाने के लिए power sharing is very much desirable. And you know, this question is very frequently asked in the boards. Power sharing is the spirit of democracy. Democracy को आगे ले जाने के लिए to have a feeling of democratic constituents in the mind. Democratic rule involves sharing power. You know, who are affected by its exercise and who have to live. Power sharing में many people are there who are not given a fair share in the power sharing. लोगों ने the communities which are very powerful, they have taken over and less powerful ones are dominated. यहाँ से क्या होता है कि problems arises and a legitimate government is there where citizens are there who are participating, acquire a stake in the system. Legitimate government which is following the law. That's why a legitimate government, legitimate means law abiding. A government which is following the law. So a legitimate government is one where citizens through participation acquire a stake in the system. Stake in the system means the people also get a chance to participate in the system, in the government. Stake in the system. Got it? ये तो हो गया. And in सबसे ऊपर, all above this, one major reason of power sharing is prudential and the second is moral. ठीक है, एक तो ये two reasons you have to give whenever it is asked that why power sharing is desirable. ये दोनों आपको reasons explain करना है कि one is this true spirit of democracy. And the first reason that was there, it is good for to reduce the possible. लड़ाई झगड़े बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. In democracy, when power sharing is there, it is because true spirit में everybody is getting a fair chance to participate in the power sharing. किसी को भी बुरा नहीं लगेगा ना. Everybody would be readily agreeing to participate in the complete system. So that is the reason why power sharing is desirable. Got it, children? Next thing, which is very important, power sharing is desirable for two major reasons. एक है prudential. Now please understand this, you have to be very clear on prudential and moral. When we are talking of prudential and moral, पहला तो है first set of reason is prudential and the second one is moral. Prudential reason में क्या होता है? It is stressing that power sharing will bring out better outcomes. It says power sharing will have better outcomes. मतलब देखो calculations होते हैं. Okay, so will have better outcomes. It's something that is calculated. अच्छा होगा, बुरा होगा. If it is done, that would be good for us. Society would be benefited. Everybody would be, the lower castes and the lower societies would be at loss. Loss and gain का बात होती है. Moral reason में क्या होता है? Power sharing is desirable. देखो क्या है? This is talking about desirability कि होना चाहिए. It is desired. ठीक है, ऐसा मान के चलते हैं, ऐसी इच्छा है लोगों की, अच्छा लगेगा. People will feel good if this is there. Got it? So this is there. एक हमने इसको पूरी तरह से समझने की कोशिश की. Now the final thing that we are understanding power sharing desirable में, please remember the prudential and the moral reasons of power sharing. Got it? Now, in India, we have different forms of power sharing. Got it? Different forms of power sharing. What are these different forms? अलग अलग तरीके के पावर शेयरिंग मॉड्यूल है. ओके, पावर शेयरिंग क्या होता है कि अनडिवाइडेड पॉलिटिकल पावर के अगेंस्ट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट हैज कम अप. This concept in itself means to say कि it is opposition to the notion of undivided political power. Political power होना चाहिए कि आदमी के हाथ में होना चाहिए, लेकिन for a long time it was believed, ऐसा विश्वास किया जा रहा था that all power of a government that is there, it must be in one person or group of persons. It must rest in the hands of one person. एक इंसान के हाथ में पावर होना चाहिए, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के हाथ में पावर होना चाहिए, लोकेटेड एट वन प्लेस. तो अगर इफ द पावर इज व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि द पावर हैज टू बी डिस्पर्स्ड, इट वुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल. क्विक डिसीजंस नहीं हो पाते. Suppose the central government is taking some decision, it would be waiting for the state government's decision. State government की मीटिंग होगी, communities को बुलाया जाएगा. You know what happens is time taking. लेकिन with the emergence of democracy, democracy has come up, people's rule is there. People's rule is there in democracy. You know it very well. Okay? And institutions of self-government, it's very important. Self-government. पंचायती राज, yes. गांव गांव में है. गांव में तो the central government is not going to see what is happening. तो when everybody is talking of a harmonious kind of a situation, harmonious kind of a life, so everyone has a voice in the shaping of public policies. अगर आम आदमी के लिए some decisions are to be taken, how can the people sitting in Delhi know about the people who are there in some tribal village of Mizoram? Are you getting the concept, dear students? Yes, that's the whole concept. Everyone has a voice in the shaping of public policies. Public को क्या चाहिए, आम आदमी क्या चाहता है, therefore, so it follows कि democracy में there can be political power should be distributed among many citizens as possible. जितने भी सिटीजन हैं उनके बीच में ये पावर जरूर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होना चाहिए. दैट इज देयर. तो मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसी में पावर शेयरिंग हैज गॉट मेनी फॉर्म्स. स्पेशली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 4 मेजर फॉर्म्स ऑफ पावर शेयरिंग. इट इज, पहला है शेयर्ड अमंग डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. Got it? Organs, different parts, जैसे कि the different organs are legislative, executive, and judiciary. These are different organs of government. Dear students, please try to understand. Legislative, executive, judiciary, इनको हम एक लाइन में रखते हैं. These are in, this is called as the, it is also called as the horizontal distribution of power. Horizontal distribution of power. All of them are dependent on each other. Horizontal, this is horizontal, and it allows every organ of government is placed at the same level. इसको अगर हम ऐसे बना देंगे ना, यहाँ पे legislative लिख दूँ, executive लिख दूँ, judiciary लिख दूँ, it would be totally wrong. It would be a complete wrong representation of the organs of government. Organs of government are always in a straight line, in a straight order. Got it? So placed at the same level because they are exercising different powers. जैसे कि separate powers are there. It is ensuring what happens is none of the organs, कोई भी किसी के ऊपर dominate नहीं कर सकता. Nobody. Such a separation ensures none organs can exercise unlimited power. It is also, एक तो ये हो गया its name. It's called by different names. Power sharing, there is a balance of power among various institutions. These are the institutions. Yes, children, remember institutions that we have read in class 9th, 4th chapter, working of institutions? Yes, these are the institutions and their proper functioning is helping in the proper functioning of the country. Got it? So various institutions आपने पढ़ा था, Parliament is there or a state assembly. Similarly, judges are appointed by the executive. President has appointed the judge, right? लेकिन they can check the functioning. लेकिन judiciary can check the functioning of executive. Appoint किया तो उस समय the executives are at the top. लेकिन if some mistake is found to be done by the executive, judiciary puts it. Got it? So this arrangement is also called a system of checks and balance. This arrangement is also called a system of checks and balance. चेक करते हैं एक दूसरे को. Executives, legislative keep an eye on executives. Executives keep an eye on judiciary. Judiciary keeps an eye on legislative and executive. Got it? So it's all of them are keeping a check on each other. एक दूसरे को देखते हुए, एक दूसरे के काम को समझते हुए, धीरे धीरे, gradually and slowly आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. Got it? So this is there, which is said to be as the different organs of government. Got it, children? इसके बाद the major thing that is associated here is power is also shared among governments at different levels. ये तो organs हो गए. पहला तो organs था. Always remember when you are making a diagram, you have to show them in a straight line. अगर ऊपर नीचे दिखा दिया, your answer would be absolutely wrong. So please do remember this thing, dear students. Got it? Next क्या है? It is shared at different levels. Shared at different levels. ठीक है? सबसे ऊपर आ रहा है central, then comes state, and then comes local self-government. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? We cannot show here. Here we cannot show center, state and local. No. यहाँ पे मोस्ट पावरफुल वन इज द सेंटर. It is general government for the entire country. It is usually called federal government. इसको हम कहते हैं that is horizontal. This is vertical division. And इसमें एक चीज और आपको याद रखनी है. You are talking about vertical division and it is also called as federal system. This is इसके बारे में we will be studying in the next chapter in detail. Federal system. Got it? इंडिया में क्या है कि we refer to it as central or union government. Governments are there at the provincial, regional level. It is called by different name, provincial level. इंडिया में क्या है, वी कॉल देम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स. यहाँ पे हम इनको स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कहते हैं. सो दिस सिस्टम इज नॉट फॉलोड. हर एक कंट्री में ये वाला सिस्टम फॉलो नहीं होता है. एवरी कंट्री हैव गॉट देयर ओन वे ऑफ डिविजन ऑफ पावर, ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक का. एंड देयर आर मेनी कंट्रीज जहां पे कि कोई प्रोविंशियल या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट नहीं है. लेकिन दीज कंट्रीज में जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे है ना, देयर आर डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. So Constitution has laid down center को क्या काम करना है. What is the work to be done by center or to be done by state, that is very clearly mentioned here. Okay, so same principle has been extended to the local levels of government. अब division of power में there is higher and lower levels of government. This is also called as vertical division of power sharing. ये हमने next chapter में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, it is also power sharing is also among different social groups. पहला organ हो गया, दूसरा levels हो गया. Now power sharing among different social groups. Shared among different सोशल ग्रुप्स. अब ये सोशल ग्रुप्स कौन है, बहुत तरीके के हैं ना. जैसे कि अब हियर आई वुड लाइक टू गिव द एग्जांपल ऑफ कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट इन बेल्जियम. ओके, कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट इज एन एग्जांपल. यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ पे क्या है, दिस टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट हमारे यहाँ पे रिजर्व्ड कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज. सम प्लेसेस we have reserved for some categories, lower level of people. ठीक है, lower level of government. तो ये हमने रिजर्व की हुई है ताकि the people who are at very downtrodden, जिनको आज तक पावर शेयरिंग में चांस नहीं मिला है, they should also get a chance in the power sharing. Okay, and the last one is the power sharing by political parties, pressure groups and movements. Shared among political parties and pressure groups. Pressure groups होते हैं, कुछ लोगों का प्रेशर बहुत हार्ड होता है and government has to accept their demands. गवर्नमेंट को उनके डिमांड्स को मानना पड़ता है. गॉट इट. एक चीज आई विल शो यू टू यू इन द बुक इटसेल्फ. कम लेट्स सी इट इन द बुक.
Children, I wanted to show you this interesting picture. Actually, we have completed the chapter power sharing. So when we have completed the chapter power sharing, here I wanted to show you a great picture that was very famous in Germany. That Germany में power sharing has happened जहाँ पे कि 2 parties together were ruling. 2 पार्टी साथ में आके जब रूल करने लगे तो आप देखो एक कार में क्या 2 स्टीयरिंग होती है, इट डजंट हैपन. बट देन जस्ट सी हियर इट इज़ जर्मन गवर्नमेंट, फाइन जर्मन इंजीनियरिंग, and this is Germany is very famous for making great cars. Some of the best cars, that is Volkswagen and other cars are also there. इसको when Germany had tried to make the government with the help of 2 parties, तो दोनों पार्टी को इक्वालिटी देने के लिए this is what was shown. Yes, details of this is mentioned here. Okay, cartoon says Germany's grand coalition government where the 2 parties are rivals to each other लेकिन दे हैड टू फॉर्म, साथ में मिलके इनको गवर्नमेंट बनानी पड़ी. दे टेक डाइवर्जेंट पोजीशंस, बार बार अलग अलग तरीके से इनकी बहस होती है. लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर वेयर दे डोंट अग्री, बट स्टिल जॉइंटली रन दी गवर्नमेंट. स्टिल ये क्या करते हैं, साथ में मिलके गवर्नमेंट चला रहे हैं. सो जर्मन पार्लियामेंट के बारे में दिस इज़ अ गुड इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज़ मेंशन डियर चिल्ड्रन. तो जस्ट दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू शेयर विथ यू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो ये हो गया. बाकी तो प्रूडेंशियल एंड मॉरल, ऑल दीज मीनिंग्स दैट आर देयर, ऑल दीज वर्ड मीनिंग्स, please make a note of it in your notebooks. Based on prudence or on careful calculation of gain and loss, prudential decisions are contrasted with decisions based purely on moral considerations. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा prudential reasons are considered for power sharing. Got it children? So here we come to the end of today's video. Thank you children and all the best to you.